hi. I didn't see you there. My name's Leia Lockheart, and I massage rock stars. I know. I haven't always lived like this. I've made a lot of missteps. But I've had a lot of success. Welcome to Rockstar Massage. Here on Rockstar Massage, we'll talk about stuff that no one will talk about. Plus, tips and tricks to make you a rock star in your massage therapy career. Oh, hey. Nice to see you. Today we'll be talking about happy endings. And it's not about a fairy tale. You might be thinking, but Leia, you're so cool. Is that really offensive to make a joke about happy endings? The answer is yes. In what other profession has a range from sex worker to medical professional? Oh, I'll wait. No, I'm not busy. Yeah, I'm waiting for them to comment below. Yeah, I know.
Okay, so I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts, doodly-doo. Big ones, small ones.
Did you come up with anything? Neither did I. I asked to myself, when is it ever appropriate to tell a professional that they're a prostitute? Never? No offense to sex workers, but massage therapists are not. Happy endings came from other cultures and has nothing to do with American culture. Especially in this modern era when massage therapy is more closely related to the medical field. When people go to massage therapy school, they learn about pathology, anatomy, kinesiology, business, and ethics. We have to earn hundreds of hours of education and hands-on experience, then have to take a state board exam. You get certified from the school and then have to take a licensing program in the state in which you learned. We also have to get background checks. No criminals can be massage therapists. I used to laugh it off. Sometimes I would get offended. Sometimes I would get defensive. But it's not a reflection on the massage therapist. It's a reflection on the person that asked the question. I have figured out the best way to answer this question. You're a massage therapist? Do you give happy endings? Thank you so much for watching this episode of Rockstar Massage. Hey, leave a comment below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say about this topic. You know, let's just keep the happy endings to the fairy tales. Am I right? Am I right, Jake? So over that.